Young tech enthusiasts in Ghana are enhancing women's and girls' participation in STEM by using 3D printing to create robot parts. This method enables rapid prototyping and cost-effective solutions, empowering innovators and fostering creativity. Our technology correspondent Ndiho just returned from Ghana, where he spoke with Jonathan Kennedy, CEO of Inovtech Stem Center in Accra.
I grew up in the midst of a lot of challenges, and then I was able to find solutions to some of the challenges. And Inovtech happens to be some of the solutions that I came about. And I didn't know who to talk to. There wasn't anyone in my community doing what I do now.
Everything you do is self-taught. What do you do here at Inovtech?
So Inovtech is an innovation hub. I'm the founder and CEO, so we are into STEM education, we are into research and development, and we are into entrepreneurship training for the youth. Inovtech is an organization that tries to empower the youth with industry-relevant skills in science, technology, engineering, and maths through robotics education, because we believe that robotics incorporates all aspects of STEM. And you can find a piece of everything in it.
When we walked in, we saw a couple young people in there. What are they working on?
They are building websites and mobile apps for clients. So we provide STEM education programs for schools. We also build mobile apps and web apps for individuals and organizations.
You took me on a tour. You showed me some 3D printers. You're fabricating machines, you're fabricating stuff. So tell me more about it.
The 3D printing is part of the models that we train the youth on. When we do robotics, we teach them the building part, we teach them the programming part, and then we teach them the manufacturing part. So they get an idea of how they can actually model their own parts and components for their projects. So that is where the 3D printing comes in. With the 3D printing, what we are using it for is that we use it to prototype the concepts that the students come up with, the ideas they come up with. So we create the designs, we prototype, we test.
What's one of those things that you've designed and you're so proud of it?
Oh, the robot arm. Yes, we designed a robot arm that, we are looking at adding AI functionalities to it so that it can move autonomously. So that's one of the projects I'm more excited about.
So how do you make money? How many projects like this do you need to sustain yourself?
So currently we make money through the sales of the softwares and apps that we build. We also make money from providing trainings to schools and students. On weekends, the students come here for Saturday classes. And then during the weekday, some students also come. So that is how we sustain.
Very nice. What keeps you going?
The fulfillment. The fulfillment I get, the aha moments you get when you are teaching a child something and then they get it. When they get to that point where they realize that, oh, I can do this, or I can actually print this. Oh, I can do this with a 3D printer. That's like the moments that I find fulfillment in.
So the kids that you teach, are they more into 3D printing, or they want to learn everything about robotics and coding and everything else?
They want to learn everything. Every new thing we bring on board, they just want to. They are so curious, and that makes the learning more exciting and the teaching more exciting for us because they keep us on our toes. When a new technology comes, we have to learn it real fast because they are interested.
How many kids have you trained so far?
So far we are reaching about 18,000 now. Last year we were about 17,500, but this year we've been able to add more to it.
And you go to the local schools or inner city schools, or you even go up country?
We travel throughout the country. We go to schools in rural areas, in the urban areas. We go to the villages. We are everywhere.
So do you have staff to help you do all that stuff?
Yes, we have a mobile STEM van that we take to the villages. So when we are going, we pack everything into the van. We have a couple of volunteers and then our staff join. And then we go and stay in the community for about a week. just teaching kids how to use computers, how to build robots, and how to program them.
How big is AI here?
AI is huge over here in Ghana. We have some innovators who are using AI in the health space. We have some using it in the education space. We are currently building an AI-enabled platform for educators and school owners as well.
That was Jonathan Kennedy, CEO of Inovtech Stem Center in Accra, Ghana.